Hello everyone, in today's video I want to briefly talk about lighting conditions. One photography tip you often hear is to shoot on overcast days, when the sunlight is diffused by the clouds, or shoot during golden hour when the sunlight is softer and the colors are more pleasing. However, I find that bright sunlight can have its place in street photography. Harsh lighting can give you that high contrast look, and more importantly, it can give you some funny and interesting interactions with subjects as well. So in the clip that I'm about to show you, the sun was directly behind me on a bright sunny afternoon, and I knew then I wanted to shoot in black and white. And I think it's important to get into that mindset of wanting to shoot in black and white before you actually do it. And that way when you're holding your camera, you'll look for the compositions, the high contrast and the textures that make black and white photography interesting. And once again, the camera I'm using is the Leica M9-P. This is the 35mm Summicron version 4, 7 elements. Anyways, that's it from me. Enjoy the video, and I'll see you again next time.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.